Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Thursday, May 8th. Had to look. And today we have more of our Tula explosion. This is the Moonlit Managerie kit. I'm going to tip it a little because yeah, okay, you got it. This is an 80 by 90 inch quilt. It uses traditional piecing, foundation, fabric piecing, and templates. And the kit includes almost 20 yards of fabric, plus the pattern and the templates. So a real heirloom piece, not a weekend project, but something that may keep you busy for a good amount of time. And we do, like I said, have a limited number of those in the shop. We also have two backings, Tula Pink backings. These are backings you may recognize. Sorry, I can't. You can see them. Backings you may recognize from before in different colors. And then we have the fat quarter bundle, which includes all of the Tula Pink fabric that I showed you yesterday, plus today, plus tomorrow, plus Monday. So you're going to have a little bit of everything in there. And what a great thing to even just put on your shelf and look at because it's so beautiful and so beautifully packaged. And then we have Renaissance ribbons. These are ribbons. Oh, Susan's taken the fat quarter bundle. These are ribbons designed to go with this collection. So each of these, I think, is 5 1-yard pieces. Yep. No, 6 1-yard pieces in that one. And then look at those great owls. Those are so pretty with the bunnies at the bottom. And then here's 2 other colorways of the same sets. So perfect for adding detail to bags or clothing or quilts. You could even probably do some bindings with some of these wider ribbons. So really exciting stuff for today. Tomorrow we will have more of the Tula Pink True Colors collections that go with this group, and the same for Monday. So hopefully you're a big Tula Pink fan because that's what we've got coming. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.